Howdy, Wall Street Willie. Why is insurance important? Even if you have savings and an emergency fund, a sudden unexpected expense can have a devastating impact on your family's financial future. Insurance provides financial protection against significant potential losses from unexpected events, like sudden hospitalization, car accident, home damage, theft, expensive lawsuits, and even death. At an otherwise stressful time, not worrying about arranging for the money to cover the financial loss gives tremendous peace of mind. What are the key terms I should know about insurance policies? Premium is the fee the policyholder pays the insurance company at fixed intervals for coverage. It could be monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Coverage limit is the maximum amount the insurance company pays for a covered loss. This limit could be set per period, per loss, or over the lifetime of the policy, called the lifetime maximum. Deductible is the amount the policyholder needs to pay before the insurance company pays anything. It can apply per claim or policy. For example, if your auto insurance has a $1,000 deductible and you get into a car accident where the total damage is $3,000, you'll have to pay the first $1,000 and your insurer pays the remaining $2,000. What types of insurance are available? There are many types of insurance to protect against different risks. The most common types include health insurance, which covers routine and emergency medical expenses, auto insurance for damage to your vehicle or liability to third parties, life insurance that pays the beneficiaries after the policyholder's death, and homeowner's insurance, which covers damage to your home and belongings. There are also other types of insurance, such as travel insurance that covers losses due to trip cancellations or lost baggage, disability insurance that covers a portion of your income if you are temporarily disabled, renter's insurance that covers losses due to fire, theft, vandalism, etc. in a rental accommodation, and legal or liability insurance that offers access to legal representation and provides coverage for expensive lawsuits. How do I choose the right insurance? Selecting which types of insurance and which exact insurance policy is right for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances, but generally, make sure to look at the coverage, premiums, and deductibles before choosing one. To learn more about different types of insurance, watch the playlist on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.